Come on! Come on!
Hands behind your back!
Oh, come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it!
I'll do it! Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the plastic!
Don't blow yourself up! Pay attention!
What's
In the
he
back!
doing?
Come on!
He's gonna kill us in here!
Hurry!
Leave us alone! We didn't do shit to you!
All set! Phone it in!
I'm making the call.
All right, you gonna do this? Huh? Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
Oh, there's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
We're done here, let's go! Coming out, B!
Give it up! I got him! I saw your face, I'll remember you.
You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes! He's crazy!
Nope. Oh, it's crazy. Fuck! You didn't have to do that!
Let's get going! There'll be time for grieving later!
Yeah, you got that right. Move!
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens!
Fuck the cops! T, hit the shutter switch.
What's this? Local resistance?
It ain't supposed to go down like this.
It never is! Come on! Go!
Get down!
They answered the wrong call!
Keep going forward!
Back the fuck down!
Move! Move!
Don't be an idiot! Let's move! Come on!
Can't be many more cops in this town!
Bring him!
This is fucked, man! Thing is slow!
I got my share! It's still wide open!
Cars up here! Let's go!
Move! Come on!
Kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description! Let's go! Get to the car! We got a window! Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go! What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive!
Woo! Did you see that shit? I fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 go! Jeez, I think they're gonna... Fuck!
Local yokels wanted!
Guy's a dick!
Fuck you, too! Fuck you!
Come on! Let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there!
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! They ain't made this car yet!
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man!
You guys alright?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper.
No! Hey! Stick to the plan!
What?
Stick to the fucking plan! Come on!
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back. Ah!
Oh, it's a fucking bed! Someone must have fucking talked!
Alright, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm hit. Oh, Jesus. T, you gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be fucking gonna bleed out. Go.
No! Kill me, you prick!
Fuck you, buddy!
Die, you cocksuckers! You fucking cocksuckers! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Come on! Come on! Hey! You! You! Hey!
God! Don't shoot!
Where's the chopper?
I don't know!
Fucking stay back! You come near me! She's fucking dead! Stay back!
Help me! Help!
Go! Go!
Michael was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves. So perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin, and we die in sin. And in this, Michael is like anybody else. Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to our friend.
Your son, James.
Come on. Shit, come on.
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo-roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, Law.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Okay. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some brick, man, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good. Hey, open up, homie. Give me some room.
You want room? Go lose some weight with your fat ass. Hang him right there.
Shit, cool, homie.
Come on, Frank.
Please, homie.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Let's show these people how we roll.
What the fuck?
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
We fuck you up so bad that you will never take it home.
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Whatever you say.
Left here.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Keep up, homie.
Whatever, homie.
We hang on the left.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, dog, we be doing Simeon a disservice if we ain't test these rides out.
He ain't even gonna know if they good if we don't push him to the brink. You feel me? This meant to be yours. Shit.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
We going right.
All right.
Left here, we going through the parking lot.
What? I hear you.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Yeah.
We buzzing in Union Depository, motherfucker.
That super bank? Motherfucker, you an idiot. What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the